Okay, so you're poking around on the internet and you want to learn to trade. You've seen all the BS and the hype about trading penny stock, about being a day trader. Well, forget all that. That requires you to sit at your computer, requires for you to be very, very good at charting, technical analysis, not to mention strict with your rules, and you are not going to be that way as a new trader. So what do? You try and trade something that's a little bit more relaxed, something that can make you money while you're sleeping, while you're at school, while you're at work, something that has the potential to make money in a upwards, downwards, or sideways market. So regardless of whether you get the direction right or wrong, you can possibly still potentially make some profit. So what are you doing? You're trading options. It's difficult at first, takes a bit to get your head around it, but once you learn a few basics, it becomes a heck of a lot easier, and the actual process or what is needed to make some consistent money is actually not very hard at all and not very time consuming. So you run to Thinkorswim, get yourself a paper account, and this is what you do. You open it up, you can see here you got live trading, paper trading. Just simply flick it across to either or, log in, and it doesn't need to take a hell of a long time. The process is very simple. There's a whole bunch of reasons why I do what I do, but I will show you step by step, instantly, how to pick a trade, get a trade, place the trade. It will not take me long at all, less than 10 minutes. Just waiting as this loads up. I'm currently running 4 screens, so it takes a little time to load everything up and fire everything up. But this is the best platform in the industry, hands down, no questions asked. There is no better platform, period. And it has a fantastic virtual or paper trading platform or account. Prices are fantastic. Okay, so we're logging in. Platform's just loading up. Dum dum dum. Now I'm just going to kick this back to, I've got 2 charts here, so I'm going to fire this up to a single chart. Okay, so I'm going to come to something like the Qs. This is something that I currently have a trade on. And I will even show you right now. This is my real-time broker. Okay, so current month filled, and this is a live account, not a virtual account. Now I have been filled QQQ. I have a 123 and a 120. I've sold to open the 120, bought to open the 123. I was filled on that just the other day at 9:36 a.m. on the 11th of August. So this is a no bullshit what I do, how you can do it. Okay, so what are we looking at here? We're looking at a daily chart here of the QQQ, currently at $117. So what do? Is it going to go much higher? I do not believe so. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Who cares? I don't care, because if it does keep going higher, I will adjust. So what have I got? Here's my position line here. These are my strikes. I've sold this strike, the 120, and I've bought the 123 for protection. I'll put an alert here, because if it goes above this line, adjust position. I'll put that, that's an alert. So now if it breaches this point, which is above this high, it will send me an alert. Now, what have I done? So I go to analyze. You can see my position here. Let's hide that for now. Okay, so you can see my position. I have a position here. I've sold this one. I've bought this one. It's a 123, 120 credit spread. So currently you can sell it for 47 cents. The risk profile looks like this. If it comes up, I'm going to lose money as of here at expiration, or 120.40 odd, 120.48 at expiration, which is about a month away. Now, maximum loss, you can see over in these figures here, 253 per contract, $47 profit per contract. Okay, so let's sell a couple of contracts, maybe even 3. Maximum loss 759, 141. As soon as I enter this trade, I will get, let's just create duplicate order. Okay, so here it is, confirm and send, it's my confirmation slip. Now it is going to take $800 of buying power to do this trade. From $800, my potential profit is $141. Maximum loss, $759. It will not go to maximum loss because I would adjust it as I said earlier. Confirm and send. Go back to the chart. There it is there, 3 contracts. So 123. Now as long as it stays below this level, I will make 100% of the profit. If it rallies down or drops down, sells off, it will profit extremely quick. If it goes sideways, I'll profit slowly. If it comes up, I might briefly run negative. Depends how long it takes before it breaches my sold strike. So basically that's all I do. Now I sit back, I wait, I see what happens. If it breaches my alert, then I adjust, I roll. If you want to know how I adjust, leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to tell you. If you want to know any more questions, I'll tell you. I recently did a monster trade that went wrong. It was supposed to be $250 profit. It went wrong. I adjusted. A few weeks later, I closed the trade out plus $1,600. Actually, more than $1,600. If you want to know what I did, how I had a losing trade, make 7 times the amount of money, leave a comment below. I'll lay that trade out for all to see. Like I said, this is a current position that I currently have on. Here's my confirmation slips. Back to Q's. There you go. I was filled on the 11th at 9:36 a.m. and some other. I also have Schwab, Electronic Arts, Google, Citibank, Priceline, QQs, and SPY. Anyway, I'll end this now and upload it. For all you people wanting to learn to trade, get on it, get busy, get a platform open, send some questions, get the party started. Thanks for watching.